Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your My Funded Futures account to Tradovate. So first of all, you need to come here on myfundedfutures.com. Now over here, if you don't have an account here, you need to just scroll down a bit, take a look at the different types of pricing and the plans. Then you need to select the plan in which you are interested or the one that you want to buy. Afterwards, you need to purchase that account and then simply just log in into your account. Now, when you are inside your My Funded Futures account, you just have to click on the option of Tradovate and then you need to get your Tradovate login credentials. Now, when you have those credentials available to you, you need to open your Tradovate.com account. Then you need to click on the option of login. Now here, when you do so, when you are here on the login page, you need to provide your My Funded Futures Tradovate login credentials, the username and the password, and simply click on the option of login. Now, when you log in into your account, you will be asked to select a trading mode. So among the given options, simply click on the option of continue with the simulation account. And this way you are going to get access to your Tradovate account. So you can find your account's information by clicking on this account section and clicking on this gear icon. So here you will find your account's information that you have with your My Funded Futures. So that's how you can basically connect both of these. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.